Welcome to ERi-TV, dear viewers. This is English news broadcast for this hour, and coming up are the major headlines for today. Workshop by Ministry of Land, Water and Environment. Youth at industries and agro-industries contributing to development projects. Chinese and Iranian foreign ministers held talks on Israel-Iran tensions. And the Philippine president says he won't give U.S. access to more local military bases. On your domestic reports, the Ministry of Land, Water and Environment convened a workshop in Keren on 15 and 16 April, focusing on the guidelines, importance and challenges of cadastral registration as well as its advantages. In his keynote address, Mr. Tesfaye Gebreselassie, Minister of Land, Water and Environment, emphasized that the workshop was aimed to enhance public understanding of land, water and environmental issues. He noted that effective management is crucial for all activities, and the primary goal was to clarify and implement government guidelines in beneficial manner. A report was presented at the workshop detailing the government's efforts in accordance with the macro policy of 1994, aimed at ensuring equal opportunity and proper land use, preventing practices that negatively impact the land, and issuing guidelines to promote land development and resolve related conflicts. It was also reported that managing water resources for household use, irrigation and development initiatives remains a significant challenge, with the optimal solution being the efficient use and enrichment of underground water resources. The report further highlighted the significance of cadastral registration established through Proclamation Number 95/1997. Participants engaged in extensive discussions on report and adopted various recommendations, including sustainable awareness-raising activities, conservation of indigenous crops, due attention on chemicals being used at illegal mining activities, as well as the sustainability of the workshop. Youth college graduates that are assigned at industries and agro-industries in the Gashbarka region, alongside gaining experiences, are significantly contributing in the development of projects. Lieutenant Colonel Tekie Waldu, manager of Banatom Alabu and Afhimbol factories, said that the youth assigned at the factories, besides gaining on-the-job experience, are significantly contributing in solving the workforce problem as well as in the development of the factories. The college graduates assigned at the factories, on their part, said that they have been able to develop the theoretical knowledge they gained at the college practically at the factories. The youth assigned at the Metal and Agricultural Material Development Workshop at Alabu, on their part, said that the workshop has enabled them to develop multiple knowledge at the workshop and are contributing their part in its development. The officials in the factories, on their part, called on the youth to take advantage of the opportunity being provided and play due part in the development of the factories and thereby contribute in the nation-building process. On your last local report, the Ministry of Education branch in Maimina's subzone provided training on financial and material management to head of administration and finance, storekeepers, cashiers and teachers ranging from kindergarten to high school in the subzone. Mr. Bahta Waldai, head of education office in the subzone, said that the objective of the training was to introduce compatible and effective financial and material management and called on the trainees to apply the training they were provided in their daily activities. The trainees, on their part, explaining on the importance of the training and developing their capacity, called for its sustainability. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international news and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi and his Iranian counterpart Hossein Amir Abdullahian held phone talks on Monday regarding the tensions between Israel and Iran. Emir Abdullahian briefed Wang on Iran's position on the attack on the consular section of the Iranian embassy in Damascus, Syria, saying the UN Security Council did not make a necessary response to this attack, and that Iran has the right to self-defense in response to the violation of its sovereignty. Noting the current regional situation is very sensitive, Emir Abdullahian said Iran is willing to exercise restraint and has no intention of further escalating the situation. Wang, also a member of the Political Bureau of the Communist Party of China's Central Committee, said China strongly condemns and firmly opposes the attack on the consular section of the Iranian embassy in Damascus, regarding it as a serious violation of international law and unacceptable. On today's final report, the Philippine president said on Monday that his administration has no plan to give the United States access to more Philippine military bases, and stressed that the American military's presence in several camps and sites so far was sparked by China's actions in the disputed South China Sea. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., who took office in 2022, allowed American forces and weapons access to 4 additional Philippine military bases, bringing to 9 the number of sites where U.S. troops can rotate indefinitely under a 2014 agreement. The Biden administration has been strengthening an arc of security alliances in the region to better counter China, a move that fits with Philippine efforts to shore up its external defense, especially in the South China Sea. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Workshop by the Ministry of Land, Water and Environment. Youth at industries and agro-industries contributing to development projects. Chinese and Iranian foreign ministers held talks on Israel-Iran tensions. And the Philippine president says he won't give U.S. access to more local military bases. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching and have a good one.